Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, we're going to continue our theme of cans and salted nuts today. We have another 10-pound Buffalo brand fancy salted nuts. Again, if you're from the Massachusetts area, you might be familiar with this company. Otherwise, if you're looking for just some great vintage advertising, something to fill in your collection, these are awesome pieces to do just that.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.